Hi, this is Mark at Ding Dong's Garden. This is Byadi Fig. And Byadi is a honey fig. It'll be yellow on the inside when we open it. And it's very prolific. It's very early too. We've been very happy with this. This is an in pot. This fig tree we've got in a pot, and it's been very good to us. And it really does look like we'll continue to have a lot more figs over the next month or so before it gets cold. But it's a large fig and it's productive. So we'll grab some of the ones that are more ripe here, and we'll go take a look at them. That's a great fig. Lots of pulp. It's pretty big size. This is Byadi. It's an earlier season fig for us that's very productive. It's large and it's got kind of a wrinkled exterior to it. And then when it starts to get a little discolored and soft, you know it's ripe.